my god, guys, I made $20 on this app. Cool, $20 on this app without performing any task, without going live, be it audio or video. I made cool $20 on this app. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make this $20 you are seeing on my screen right now. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selim. In this channel, I share about legit money making apps. So subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of legit money making apps. All right, so this $20 you're seeing on my screen right now, I made it only through referral. Yes, you heard me right. When people use my unique link, download this app, do their face authentication and start performing their tasks, I got spin. I got free spin and I use it to spin. That was how I was able to make this $20 you are seeing right now. I've withdrawn the $8 on. This one is the $20 on. And as you're seeing on my screen right now, I'm about to withdraw the $50 on. So all I need is just to keep on referring people with my unique link. So if you're working on any of these apps, make sure that you are making use of your unique link. Make use of it because those will help you a lot, especially in apps like this. The name of this app is Taka. Yeah, for some people that will be asking me what is the name of this app, the name is Taka. Taka have invitation event, and that invitation event, if you're making use of your unique referral link, you'll be getting free tickets that you will use to spin. As you are spinning, you'll be meeting up the required amount they need for you to withdraw. As you can see, I have 2 spin left. After I withdraw this $20, I'm using it to spin for the $50 on. Okay, though it will not be enough for it, but once I keep on inviting people with my unique referral link, I'll keep on getting ticket for it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link at my comment section, my description, and download this app. Yeah, I've made several videos about Taka live streaming app, so you can go to my channel and check for the videos, how to sign up, how to perform your tasks, how to earn on the app, how to withdraw. I've made videos about this app. So as you can see right now, I'm among the people that cash out $20. You'll see my image there right now. So start making use of your unique referral link. Okay, it will help you a lot on these streaming apps. All right, make use of it. Invite your friends, invite your relations. If you have WhatsApp, post it on your WhatsApp status. Okay, post it on your Facebook page. If you have YouTube channel, post it, create video about it, post it on your channel. Those will help you a lot. Okay, as you can see, these are my invitation bonuses, the tickets I've been getting from invitation. So make use of your unique referral link. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.